Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another art journal page in my chunky handmade art journal, and today I have a special topic. You already saw it in the video title, and I want to talk a little bit about art block and what I do against it. Before I start, I would like to say sorry for the dark video today, but I am still figuring out how to use my new mobile phone to film. It has so many settings and it's almost impossible to figure out how this all works. I think I need to watch some YouTube videos about it. Today I used, I believe, the ultra high definition quality, and it's a really big video file, but I think the quality of the image is better than usually. Okay, art block. I normally never have a big art block. Maybe I sometimes have days where I have no idea and I'm not inspired and I don't want to create, and or maybe I want, but I have no idea what. But normally that is different the other day, and this time after our holidays I had such a big block. I didn't want to stamp anything. I was not inspired to open my art journal and start playing. And also here where I'm creating this spread, I am totally uninspired and I have no idea what I want to do. But it doesn't help if you just go with it and you say you don't create, because I think the mood will not come back when you don't do anything against it. What I usually do is I watch some YouTube videos. Often I watch my own videos, older ones, and then I enjoy it and I try to make kind of a similar project, maybe in a better video quality, because my older videos are not with voiceover, or I choose different colors but the same techniques. But this time that didn't help. I don't want to create. Just a short info about what I'm doing on the spread. I have sketched out some leaves with a brush pen. It's the one from Pentel and it's waterproof, but you have to let it dry. I didn't wait enough to get that dry, so it's bleeding when I go on top with watercolors. What I also sometimes do is I go to Pinterest and scroll through my boards. I have several art journal boards to get inspired, but I didn't like anything. I also searched out for some other YouTube videos, but none of them spoke to me, and I couldn't watch them because I don't want to. So here I decided I just play in the journal no matter what happens, and if it turns out ugly, it turns out ugly, and that is fine. I just want to play, and that was the right thing, because after this page I was really inspired to create in my art journal, and I then watched some YouTube videos, and now everything is back to normal, I would say. And that's what I just can give you as an advice when you are so blocked that you have no idea what to do. Just do something. While I was playing with my brushes and Neocolors, some of my leaves started bleeding because they were drawn on gesso, and there it needs much more time to dry. here I'm going in with the Derwent Intense pencil and I just scribble into the wet areas. You will find, as always, a link in my video description to my blog post, and there are some close-up images of this spread. Another thing you can do if you have a jelly plate, just make a jelly printing session. This is something you can do without inspiration. Just put down some colors and make some prints, and this could help to become inspired again. Of course, I also add some stamping to the page. I just picked some random shapes that were next to me. I just create some texture, and I think it's, I don't know, it's a really ugly page maybe, but when it's finished I really like it because I found something in my stash that looked really pretty with the background. To finish up the spread, I go through my stash. I have a box with a lot of images laying next to me. There are stamped images that I've already colored in, or just some collage elements. And I picked out that butterfly. I drew this onto an under paper that I've used to clean up my tools with leftover paint. And this was the first idea of my inky friends stamp set. So this was the first guy I designed for it. And also this leafy shape was something I cut out from a jelly print. And here I'm just searching through my stash, and this is the butterfly that it became on the set. And I just went through my whole stash and looked which image could match my page, and then I just adhered that to the page. And this combination of the leaf and the butterfly is also the piece that I want to use here. I'm using glossy accents to stick the pieces down. I really like that glue for especially detailed shapes such as these leaves, and also when I use heavyweight paper and want to stick that down, the glossy accents always works perfectly. To finish up the spread, I'm adhering some words from my journal words stamp set. And here you can see the finished spread. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope we will see us next time. And maybe I can figure out what the best settings for my camera are. Bye!